Welcome to DynaMaker Features, Tables and BOM. Did you know you can create your own tables in DynaMaker? Headers and tables with key information and drawings tend to be automated based on the configured product, especially when bills of materials, or BOMs, are to be generated automatically. For the simplest case of a static table, let's take the header of a drawing, for example. A table can be created as SKYCAD.Table. Then we add each cell individually with table.addText. In this case, we will put the logo in the first cell, empty for now, at row 0 and column 0 with a span of 3 rows, as if we merged them. Then we add the title in row 3 and the same column 0. As for the second column, we will add the units, the scale, today's date, and the number of pages in each table row. Then we converted it into a layout so that it can be used in drawings with table.generateLayout. The look of the table is up to you depending on the arguments you use, like default text size, column widths, and so on. As for the picture, since they can only be added to layouts, we add it once the table is converted into a layout, given a position and scale so it fits the empty cell. Once you have the skeleton, you can connect these constants to actual inputs to the function, like the dynamic title of the product with dimensions or the drawing scale. For the case of a dynamic table, you could create a bill of materials or BOM, which is nothing more than a table with extra steps. A BOM usually comes as an object with different values like article number, description, and quantity. In this case, we add the function getBOM for each component that we want a table row in the BOM list. Here a module could consist of one row with article number and description, based on dimensions and type, and quantity 1. Then, in the Rails getBOM function, we go through its modules and stack the BOM row with the help of the function addOrMergeItem that you can find in the docs too, which increases the quantity when they have the exact same description and article number. Additionally, we add a table row for the Rail itself too. We repeat this process throughout all the components until the top-level component or assembly makes sure to have all needed as a list of BOM rows. Then, the BOM can be automatically generated easily to be displayed on a drawing as a table or ready to be downloaded as a CSV file. Do you want to know more? Check out our documentation at docs.dynamaker.com.